Una welcome on Stop. Now still on Stop, on Stop the late night show. And I really feel Lioness who come follow us relate. You know, and there are people when they see white people or Igbo people, then when they come they speak our language. Many of us never too value our language. What we get.
And Opono, she's still blind.
Yes, and she don't see physically, but I mean, it really touched me for heart. It touched me for heart, and I'm very. We need to recognize our own. Some people for this country, no one they speak pidgin English.
I thought they were going to do English.
And they do duh. Like, please, seriously, you speak pidgin English, you're right.
That's lame.
You never know anything. Therefore, there you go old for there. You go no say ras now be in new class. You understand what I'm saying? As it be like this now. Some 20 years ago, this particular guy, my second guest now, he just entered the airwaves and he scatter everything. You understand? He just fall in easy. You get the level.
Yeah, they go from young.
But anyway, which way? Now, if you remember this song, and the ganja, yeah, one feel like rain. You see, they made me want to scatter my gala anyhow. You understand? Ladies and gentlemen, I get the correct guy in the building. That Professor Linkin in the building. Hey, now what? How far now? Now what? It don't take. Overtake they worry the whole thing. How far now?
Thank the Lord.
Where Professor Linkin Day since?
As you
launched that song that year, boom! We not see you again. We not to hear too many things like that again.
Many things, you know, as that song drop, you know, say entertainment world.
Yes.
They say now who gonna know, who not gonna know.
Exactly.
And after that song, I seen release Stick On One. That the title of one, a Lanko Explosion. After Lanko Explosion, I seen release one again. They call Higher Morale.
Okay.
But you see, the airwaves, that demand, the spirit of that Jogodo scene, they were pressed.
That Jogodo worry now. Jogodo worry.
Now, na evergreen song.
Not stop. When that song go all drop, boom! Everywhere go. If you like, you wear suit, sef.
Now that funeral bring so. Now make them most of our upcoming artists there now.
Yes.
Them Wizkid, them Olamide,
yes.
Davido, most of them. But this I don't die, yo.
Because
most of them now this I don't die, but they don't say Baba just day.
They
go and they watch.
They watch.
Maybe they forward, we know they jump.
Just they observe things they happen.
Maybe they do their own. But I'm not ready for them this time.
Correct. Because we've been getting a video and then we'll go see them. We even know say yes, now some time back and I will do the video, but we go still show them to remind everybody of every that
I'm
year.
going at tight, no shit.
Correct. All right, so now see the late night show. Professor Linkin there inside here. Make we see that video for us to enter inside the Jogodo level. What did they happen?
I tell you. I said,
hey, take it away. Give it. Oh, but I don't forget to jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach JSC follows just on top the whole level. Professor Linkin is in the building. Now, this song I just carry me go way back.
Way back.
If that song drop any day, anytime,
it's
they groove everybody.
Till that kingdom come.
But at these small boys that we don't call they around now, our younger artists that we they around now. We even recently say what's it be the name? Davido. And there's some other boys that they gather even do your song self.
What's Kiss?
Kiss.
Featuring Roger Femi.
So how you feel about these things when they suppose they at least they carry you, they enter the whole thing?
You know what happen? What are the feel for those things that we say? Baba na Baba.
True.
I look their matter be say they're supposed to come take right, but I be icon. I not get to overlook. I not even get to visit their matter because I know who I be. I know where I'm gonna come. If I strike again, body go tell them.
Hey, if you strike again,
body go tell them.
They go know every.
As which now they see him now. I won't strike again.
You want which strike you want? Make we know first. So
which the title of that one, I'm also one perempe. They wish small. I'm also one perempe. They wish kere. Oh perempe. They wish. I'm also one perempe. Oh, they wish kere. Oh perempe. They wish. They won't kill me, but they not rich. Obirin pay the wish. They won't kill me, they don't know rich. Show me live there.
Hey, that one I
say. That is around there, but I see they won't kill me.
Let's see.
They workshop.
They're not rich. They're not rich.
They don't workshop.
The Juggernaut King himself.
Yes, so.
So now, as it be like this now, waiting come be the thing. Aside from this one, we don't tell us now. This one, other songs then they follow for back.
Yes,
for back,
now
for
you
back.
get one again. Tight Love. You get one again. When me and future be clean.
Okay.
This for the pain and future be clean.
Okay.
You get one me and future Orishefemi.
Okay. Okay.
That one I don't pay my dues. With one Jogodo for Jesus.
Oh, go. Juggernaut for Jesus still there.
Ah, I the best.
Hey, Professor Linkin.
Another
For Jesus own still there.
Ah.
Shana say you enter church. They can't say we need a Jogodo type
I
of.
feel do the acapella now.
If you do it now.
Woyo, 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 woyo. Woyo, 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 woyo. Pass me your sister, pass me the Bible. Me, I want praise my God. Sure, praise my God, they go. Me, I don't jogodo.
Professor Linkin.
Me, I don't jogodo. Now Jesus they make me
Ajegule. Seriously, I like that angle, sir. You understand? Because you go tell say person don't mature for music.
Yeah.
You understand? So as it be like this now, how you feel about Ajegule music where people now don't they don't form a hair?
See, I will be the you know the meaning of Ajegule?
Oh yeah, tell them, I made them know
the
now.
The meaning of Ajegule na market get grand. So we get grand. We own the market, the thief am. We see the food, the thief am. We need the finish. Ajegule. We remain. They go learn. So they I don't fit talk artists. Yes. Millions of artists in Nigeria now. Nigeria they go thief. They will call the formalizer. They workshop. Who get you?
They workshop.
They learn.
They
work. They never even reach them.
They don't reach.
Ajegule.
People like the Casey them. They Ajegule boys.
Daddy Shoki.
Hey.
Baba
Frayo.
Cashman Davis.
Oh, what's it be there again?
Daddy Fresh.
Made the day.
Danfo drivers.
Flector man. Marvelous Benji. Yeah.
We yakpa now. If you come outside for the go run. Omo Jesu again there.
Omo Jesu there.
My younger brother.
Now, what will be the meaning of this same Jogodo way you talk? Because different people different people
exactly.
Jogodo. What will be the meaning of Jogodo?
Jogodo, J-O-G-O-D-O. The meaning of Jogodo, some people go just carry song, they imitate, waiting they don't know the meaning. As me maybe the predator, the refinery. I mean refiner.
The manufacturer.
Man let them know as they go for Jogodo. The meaning of Jogodo.
Bam.
You when they go sing Jogodo, you don't know the meaning, they kill yourself. Now me go tell you the meaning.
Okay,
tell them. The meaning of Jogodo means say anything where you they do.
Yes.
Yes. Where stylish go enter. It can't make you they carry the way.
Okay.
That means you don't Jogodo.
Okay. So that means say for if styling can't go enter the thing.
Yes, if you overdo it now, you don't they carry the way.
I'm say don't go yourself.
Ginger.
Okay, ginger can't go enter.
I don't Jogodo like this.
Okay, so I'm say okay. I don't get her now. So if you Jogodo for Jesus,
anyone. If Holy Spirit hold you don't Jogodo.
Oh, baka.
If Holy Spirit hold you don't Jogodo.
You don't Jogodo. You understand? If you gotta go watch the late night show, you don't
Jogodo.
You understand?
Yes.
If you just get new babe now, she just love you that. You don't Jogodo.
You understand? So
they don't know.
They don't know.
When whiskey they sing, then they Jogodo. They don't know the meaning.
They don't know. Some people say Jogodo to come and smoke igbo.
Oh no. The reason I go that way.
That side.
It's left for them.
Professor Linkin. That means from now they expect big things from you now. Because you now don't say
this smooth to next smooth, make them just put your ear down.
Bam. Una don't hear. Una put na ear down. He not die yo.
Any Paloma who go na know.
Bam.
I travel out, I go Europe tour, I go some kind things there, I come pin down. Say make I just the watch.
Professor Linkin don't tall.
Sure, don't
tall. See, as it be like this now, no give respect to who respect is due. You understand? We'll give honor to who honor is due. Professor Linkin, we really appreciate you come on top of the show today.
Yes, sir.
I want to say very soon you go to strike now.
At the strike.
You go to strike.
Now to next month.
Uh-huh.
They go hear my scores.
The strike where we mean, I say Ingo soon launch out though. Not be strike, say no go work
Rocket
again.
Launcher, my new album, they come out. The title na Higher, Higher.
Higher, higher. Higher, higher.
Up, up.
Up, 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 up. We're not here now. Professor Linkin, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, so with the continuation of the late night show, we're not going anywhere. We they come back.